Hi everyone, this is Christine, and today I will be showing you on how to be part of the community in school. So first, I will be sending an invite link via email. Here I will provide the email address and make sure that the email address that you are going to provide is not yet registered in school. And I will check here and I will click the join now. You can see it requires us to fill out the form. So first name is test. Let's just put it as a test account. And it requires us to put some profile picture to, and click complete. And then you are now part of Funding Academy Mastery community. So you can access the classroom here and there are videos that you can watch. That's it. Thank you.